You are going to love the 2016 Evoque. The all-new Range Rover Evoque is the lightest and most fuel-efficient Range Rover to date, continuing our commitment to environmental sustainability. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels, power liftgate, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.